Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to send large files using your Dropbox. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. Now, let's get started. To transfer files using a Dropbox, go to any web browser of your choice. Then in the URL, type Dropbox file transfer. Then hit enter. Then tap on this website saying Dropbox transfer. Since I am already logged into my Dropbox account, I was directly routed to the home page. If you haven't yet, first log into your Dropbox account. Then you will see the same interface. Now to transfer files, simply tap on Try Dropbox Transfer Free. Then tap on this drop-down menu. Now tap on Upload Files or Upload Folders if you want to upload file from your PC. If you already have the file on your Dropbox and you want to transfer it from your Dropbox, tap on Add from Dropbox. Now choose the file that you want to share. For example, let's say I want to share this file. Now tap on Create Transfer. Now you can transfer files with your email or by the link. To transfer file using email, tap on Send Email. Then tap the email address, then tap on Send. To transfer file using link, simply tap on Copy Link. Then share this link to the one that you want to share the file. You can also manage the transfers. To do so, simply tap on Manage Your Transfers. Then tap on the expiration date. And here you can add password to your file and edit the expire date. And guys, that was it. This is how you share your large file using the Dropbox. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.